Welcome, in front of me is a Neffos C5 Plus, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. So to get started, you want to open up settings. So I'm going to do it through the notification panel, and from here you'll see right on the end of the visible page, storage. So tap on it and you should see the SD card. For me it's the SanDisk, so tap on it, and from here tap on three dots and go to storage settings, and you should see format option right here. So tap on it. You'll have a message that performing this will remove all the data from the device. So if you have something that you would like to keep on that SD card, you might want to back it up before proceeding further with this. But assuming you don't, all you need to do now is just tap on erase and format, get a progress of the process, and once it's finished, the card will be immediately ready to be used once more. So now it's done. So that is how you format it, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.